Basic social rules everyone should know. Hi everyone. Welcome to our channel, Brightest Life. Certainly, here are some basic social rules that can help guide positive interactions and relationships. 1. Respect personal space. Give people enough physical and emotional space to feel comfortable. Avoid invading someone's personal space without their permission. 2. Use polite language. Say, please, thank you, and excuse me. Using polite language shows consideration and respect for others. 3. Active listening. When someone is speaking, give them your full attention. Avoid interrupting and show genuine interest in what they're saying. 4. Be punctual. Arrive on time for appointments, meetings, and social gatherings. Being punctual shows that you value others' time. 5. Avoid offensive language. Refrain from using offensive or derogatory language that could hurt or upset others. 6. Empathy and compassion. Try to understand others' feelings and perspectives. Show empathy and offer support when someone is going through a tough time. 7. Respect differences. People have different opinions, backgrounds, and beliefs. Treat everyone with respect and open-mindedness, even if you disagree. 8. Be mindful of body language. Nonverbal cues like eye contact, facial expressions, and posture play a big role in communication. Maintain appropriate body language to show you're engaged and respectful. 9. Give and receive constructive feedback. If you need to provide feedback, do so in a constructive and considerate manner. If you receive feedback, take it graciously and use it to improve. 10. Be considerate in shared spaces. Whether it's a public place, a workplace, or someone's home, be considerate of others' needs, comfort, and personal boundaries. 11. Keep conversations balanced. Avoid dominating conversations or making everything about yourself. Give others a chance to share and express themselves. 12. Respect technology etiquette. In social settings, put away your phone or device and engage with those around you. When using technology, be mindful of volume and content in public spaces. 13. Apologize and forgive. If you make a mistake or inadvertently hurt someone, apologize sincerely. Likewise, be open to forgiving others when they apologize. 14. Respect privacy. Don't pry into others' personal matters or share sensitive information without permission. Respect their boundaries and confidentiality. 15. Gratitude. Express gratitude for kind gestures, favors, or assistance from others. A simple thank you can go a long way in maintaining positive relationships. Remember, social rules may vary depending on cultural norms and individual preferences. Being kind, considerate, and adaptable is key to navigating social situations successfully. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Also, please hit the notification button to keep you updated with our upcoming posts and videos. Brightest Life will be happy if you leave comments to our videos and rest assured that we will reply to them. Till next time.